Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas.
God forgive me for my past life. I hope in the future I can get it right. I'm smart enough to know better. I'm grown. Mistakes I'ma make, blame.
Just left Walmart. Walmart said $88. They had it in stock and shit, right? So then I was like, shit, this is what you do. You take that tire and you shove it up your ass, because Discount Tire got it for cheap. How about that? How about that? It's so goddamn hot out here and I'm just fucking shaking and moving and shit. I forgot to fucking show y'all. So, new tire. Check out the trade. New tire for the C-10. He said this one ain't bad, just need to be plugged. He said he'll throw it on there for me, man. Look out for me. So, good people, man. If you need them, don't holler at them. They said they do 35 for mountain balance, used tire and shit. Woo! Hot than a bitch out here. Alright, back to the house. Put the shit on.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, let's say Ride 254. We tune in for another one. Up early this morning, rise and grind. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood, man. Go over here and peek at this battery. As y'all know, that one was good to go. Well, the one that's in the car is good to go. And then this one right here we was charging up. This is the one that was originally in the Caprice, which tested good, but I'm not exactly sure. Like, I think there might be like a drain or a parasitic draw in the Chevy. I'm not sure. So the battery's good. It's not as good as the other battery, maybe. I don't know. Let's check it out and see. So we got 714 out of 800 on that one. Got 924 out of this one. So this one is clearly a little bit stronger battery, which we knew, kind of expected. That battery is also good though. Like I said, I was probably gonna take this battery out of here and then put it in a C-10, but I'm not really sure 100% on what we're gonna do just yet. I did reach out to Optima, as I mentioned in another video, to see if they could send us a charger, test it out, so we can see if we can bring that one battery back to life from the dead. The guy that I got the battery from, he's pretty straightforward. He was like, yo, if you got any issues out of it, man, I come across them all the time, let me know. So this is just a prime example of everything that necessarily looks good is not good, because it looks damn near brand new. So, but when we test that one, we know that to be not the case. So what I did want to bring your attention to this morning is a box. We got a package inside of our box that they put packing peanuts in. Let me go out here. That way I can just Go ahead and get rid of the packing peanuts. Receipt or whatever. Go ahead and throw that box away. So what we got here, lug nuts. These are the lug nuts for the C-10 that have the acorn bulge. Yeah, they have the acorn bulge versus the Krager style nuts. Let me see where is it at. So yeah, 20 lug nuts, no locks. As you can see, half inch by 20. I got them off of eBay, LUGNUTguys.com, $13.99. If you go in the AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Hell Advanced Auto, a set of lug nuts, they're like $2 a piece, $1.99, $1.59. I got a whole bag for 13, 14 bucks. The set that they had was like 32 bucks. So saved a little bit of money there versus buying them locally. And it wasn't like I didn't have any lug nuts. Initially I was like, I just want to get it done, get it put on, and then, but after the fact I was like, maybe, just maybe I order them from Amazon and save that extra money. So I was able to find that. As you can see, the difference in the lug nuts. Let me see. Yeah, see how it's kind of recessed. I mean, the wheel is on there, but I personally don't feel comfortable like that. So those are for a different style wheel. I think they'll look better as well. So we'll get those switched over. Also, we got a new tire. You know what I'm saying? That brand new tread on there. Brand new tread. So this tire I got from Discount Auto or Discount Tire. It was like 62 bucks. And a deal. Hell of a deal. So what I plan to do is get these lug nuts put on, and we one step closer to the test drive. So coming up next, of course we're gonna get our bulbs put in there for our stoplights. Know what I'm saying? Make sure we have the right bulbs. As you can see, there's nothing in there now. But yeah, taking it one step at a time. Brake lights, and then lug nuts, brake lights, and then next step will probably be cooling fans. Yeah, cooling fans after this. It's your boy LSA254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, such as lug nuts, and making strengths gone.